Hello, I'm Philip Stoten. I'm on the Scoop studio at SMT Nuremberg, and I'm joined by Marco from Kulicke Soffa. Great to see you again. Thanks for stopping by. I saw you on stage yesterday presenting. What were you talking about there, and what was the topic of that debate?
It's actually a very interesting topic what I presented with good customer interaction. The topic I presented was really the merging of the two worlds. The semicon world, Kulicke Soffa known for the wire bonders, for the wedge bonders, and for the die attach, and the other one the SMT. And we call that is this merging of two worlds. We call that platform the hybrid. And being at the SMT hybrid show, it really comes together. So what we see is that in the SMT, the components are getting smaller and smaller. The challenges of placing those still and finding a solder dot that can hold that component, it's very challenging. So that's what we see. Automotive is getting much more requirement on reliability, on quality, on first time right, with all the claims that they have. And on the other side, you see that the dies being placed on the substrate are getting now being handled, sometimes being even taped and real. So you can pick and place them onto a package. Okay. And that's like what I say, the two worlds are merging into one. Yeah. And that was a topic that I presented yesterday.
And when you look at that hybrid world, they need hybrid solutions. They need solutions that maybe combine processes, but certainly combine expertise. How do you bring those worlds together within your organization to create products?
Yeah, for example, when we were acquired by Kulicke Soffa, we started a process lab. So we have now a laboratorium where we have the several machines that we have, the several processes all in one lab. So we fly in the process experts and we learn from each other. So then we know how to place a die and what kind of material you need, what kind of interposer you need in between, and how to place an SMT component. And we can learn from each other. Yeah. For example, they need in Fort Washington, our development center in the US, they needed a fluxing unit. So we took the fluxing unit we have developed and just reconfigured it that it would fit on the other business lines machines.
Yeah, that makes sense, doesn't it? And so looking specifically at the German market, what's the German market challenged by at the moment? What is it asking you for, and what are you delivering here at SMT?
Interesting in Germany is that they were really the front runners for the Industry 4.0. Actually, I think they started the revolution. It started here in Germany and it spread on to Asia and also in the US. In the APEX there was also a lot of attention for it. So you really see those customers having made that step already, but also wanted to go one step further. So like the Hermes initiative, what also started here, and that we see a lot of customer pull from the German market for those kind of solutions.
Yeah, I think that's. I mean, it's interesting that it was started here in. I think it was the Hanover Messe about 6 years ago. A lot of talk about Industry 4.0, a lot of talk about all these standards. Do you think we're getting to the point where you're seeing tangible results in factories, or is it still early days in terms of installations?
Yeah, what we see is that what everybody's talking about is the shortage of components. So people have issues with delivering on time their finished goods because of the shortage of components. So there was immediately a lot more focus on waste, material waste, and the goods flow. And to control your goods flow, to know everything, where everything is, then having the machines connected and also managed by some higher level system. That's really what is needed, and also monitoring the performance of each of the machines in the line.
Yeah, you need to get as much capacity out of what you've got as possible, and the solution is materials control, not ordering additional stock, which I know is what a lot of people are doing. A lot of people are over-ordering and exacerbating the problem at the moment. Marco, thanks for stopping by. Great presentation. Good to see you, and we'll chat again soon.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.